Once upon a time, in an ancient forest where the music of nature sounded and every corner radiated warmth and light, there lived a bird named Melody. She was a special bird with feathers of multicolored shades that changed depending on her mood. Her singing was extraordinary. It brought peace and joy to all the creatures of the forest. One day, when the leaves on the trees began to change their hue under the autumn sun, Melody heard sad whispers throughout the forest. They came from Starbug, who was fascinated by the stars and shining in the sky. Melody said, "Hello, Starbug." "Why so sad, Starbug?" "Oh, Melody, the stars are hiding in the clouds and I can't see their light." "Melody, don't worry, I'll help you." She began to sing her most magical melody, filling the sky with her singing. The clouds parted and the stars shone in the sky again. "Starbug, oh, Melody, you have brought joy back to me." "Thank you, Melody. It was an honor to help you." But one day, as the fall wind grew stronger, the leaves on the trees began to fall and everything around them became colder. The birds began to prepare for the long winter, but Melody noticed that snow clouds had appeared in the sky, and the winter bird, who ruled the seasons, was sad. "Melody, hello, winter bird." "Why so sad, winter bird?" "Oh, Melody, winter is coming early and I'm afraid everything is going to freeze." "Melody, don't worry, I'll help you." She sang her melody filled with warmth and light. Her singing stopped the snow clouds and the warm sunlight returned, giving the birds time to prepare for winter. "Winter bird, Melody, you have warmed our heart." "Thank you, Melody. It was an honor to help you." So Melody continued to help the different creatures of the forest with her singing and kindness. Her songs brought peace and joy, making the forest brighter and more magical.